What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. I am super excited about this particular vlog because it is my favorite time of the year. It's almost Christmas. Now, not only is it my favorite time of the year, I am also celebrating something very special to me, my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Listen, you guys, it has been a very long journey. I've learned so much from YouTube. I've learned so much from you all, and I'm so thankful that you guys have written this journey with me. So the best is yet to come, and I'm just super excited about what the future is going to hold for us in this together. So back to the original basis of this video. To help celebrate my 1-year anniversary on YouTube by celebrating my very first video, which was about Christmas decor, I am going to be showing you all my Christmas decor and giving you all a step-by-step guide on how you can elevate your homes starting today. So let's get started. So you guys, step number 1, stop buying cheap decorations. This means taking your time to find the right decorations, going to different stores, and even customizing your own decorations like I'm doing here. Once you've gotten your decorations together, now it's time to fluff your tree. I typically do this over the course of one day, making sure that I hit every single point of the tree. Your goal is to fill in any gaps that the tree may have, and also making sure that you're starting from back to front to ensure that the tree is fully fluffed on all sides. Now it's time to decorate. Speaking of time, you must remember to take your time. Remember, this is a process, and all great things take time. Now, I typically start with more larger ornaments and then work my way down to the smaller ones. Once I have my traditional ornaments on the tree, it is now time for me to start utilizing picks, artificial flowers, icicles, and anything else that will help bring the tree to life. Now it's time to add ribbon. I typically cut them 6 to 12 inches apart, and I fill in any gaps that the tree may have. This is a step that's going to bring it all together. This year, I decided to not use a traditional tree topper, but rather use picks. Stay tuned to the end to see the finished product. It's now time to add a tree skirt. Instead of utilizing a traditional tree skirt, I'd recommend to use a blanket or a throw. They're nicer and actually a lot fuller. Now it's time for fresh flowers. There are so many options to choose from. Whether you choose roses, hydrangeas, or branches, make your arrangement a statement. Now it's time to set the table. I typically go for a traditional table setting, live garland, candles, and a simple place setting. For Christmas dinner, I'll add a few flower arrangements to complete the look. Last tip, keep your decorations in theme. Here, I decorated this garland utilizing the same ornaments, picks, and ribbons found on my tree. All right, beautiful people. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you've gotten a little bit of inspiration to help in your homes. Be sure to like and subscribe. Connect with me on Instagram. And always remember, in order to live a beautiful life, it first starts at home. Until next time.